This video is going to talk about solving equations using the guess and check method. So if we take a look at this, we can see that there are X counters in each bag. How many is X? I don't know, but I know that there's 4 of them. There are 4 X counters in all the bags because there are 4 bags. There are 4X plus 3 counters altogether. What equation can we write for this model? Well, we know that this is 4X plus 3. We know that down here, oh boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. So we know that 4X plus 3 equals 28. That's a weird 2, but you know, we go with it. So we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. But it looks like they had an extra row on there that they added in for 31. Or I really don't know how to count to 10. Who knows? So let's go ahead and let's see if we can solve this equation. We know that 4X plus 3, we're trying to get 31. So if I put a 1 in for X, that would mean 4 times 1 plus 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3. 4 times 1 plus 3. 4 times 1 is 4. That would be 4 plus 3 equals 7. Does that equal 31? No. Let's try 2. 4 times 2 plus 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3. Does that equal 21? 8 plus 3 is 11. No. 4 times 3 plus 3. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. That's not 31. 4 times 4 plus 3. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 16 plus 3. 17, 18 is 19. Nope. This isn't working. Let's try to skip down some numbers. Let's look at 4 times 7 plus 3. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 3, 29, 30. Hey, that's 31. This one works. Do we have to test out the rest of these? No, because we found the one that works. Hooray! So this time in the table, we increase the value of X by 1 each time. We stop when we see all of the completely 31 counters were used. So let's look at 7H plus 2 equals 44. Let's take a guess and let's see what we get. Let's guess H equals 5. So that's 7 times 5 plus 2 equals 44. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 2 equals 44. 35 plus 2 is 37. Does 37 equal 44? No. Should we try a higher or lower number? Well, 5 was too low, so we should try a higher number. Let's try H equals 6. 7 times 6 plus 2 equals 44. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 2 equals 44. Hey, 44 equals 44. The whole point of this is guessing and checking. So you're going to guess something, see if it's too high, too low, and move on. Hey, look at that. So, which method requires less work? The guess and check or actually solving the equation? Which method is quicker? These are questions that you can answer for yourself. Which method is more like looking up a word in the dictionary using alphabetical order? And which one is more like looking up a word in the dictionary without knowing or using alphabetical order? So, would you just look in the dictionary and say, I think the letter is here and try it? Or would you look it up and say this letter starts with H? So I'm going to guess it's going to be in the H section. So right here, we have 4x plus 1 equals 25. We're trying to get 4x plus 1 to equal 25. Let's try if x is 5. 4 times 5 plus 1. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 is too low. So let's try bumping it up to 6. 4 times 6 plus 1. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1 is 25. 6 is our answer. Let's take a look at this one. 5x plus 3 equals 23. Let's try putting 5 in for x. 5 times 5 plus 3. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is 27. 27 is too high, which means we need to lower our guess. Let's try 4. 5 times 4 plus 3. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. X equals 4 is our answer. What do you think is going to happen here? 2x plus 4 equals 16? Well, if x equals 5, let's try 2 times 5 plus 4. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 does not equal 16. So what do you think we should do to fix this? Wow. Excuse me. 14 is too low. So what should we do to fix this? Well, let's try bumping it up to 6. 2 times 6 plus 4. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 4 is 16. 5 is typically a pretty good answer to guess at because you're right in the middle and you can go either higher or lower. However, you don't always have to guess 5. If you think you know where it's going to start, give it a shot there and then see what happens. How many solutions can you find to 2x plus 1 equals 4y minus 1 if x and y are whole numbers? I'm going to let you give that a shot. And then I'm going to tell you that I hope that you have a fantastic day.